Hi, I am going to share with you how to make a talking presentation. While we may be limited in the way we teach, conduct workshops, or train other people for a new skill, the show can truly go on with talking presentations. Let me tell you how to add a recording to your Canva presentation in 3 steps. Step 1. Make your Canva presentation. Choose a template you like. Fill it up with information you want to share. Add charts, photos, and graphic elements to make your presentation visually pleasing. Step 2. Head on to the recording studio. On the top right corner of the editor, click on Present and Record. Next, click on Go to Recording Studio. If you can't find Present and Record, click on the three-dot menu on the top right corner of the editor. Next, click on Present and Record under the recommended menu. Step 3. Start recording. Set up your camera and microphone. Once you're ready, click on Start Recording. Get ready to record in 3 seconds. Here are some handy tips. Click pause if you want to take a break from recording. Click on Resume once you're ready to continue. Click on End Recording once you're done. Wait for your recording to upload. Make sure to copy the link to your recording and share it with others. There you have the 3 steps. Thank you for watching. Bye!